Um, Good morning, good morning, good morning once again. Welcome to TOPVEETFX, where we make trading simple to everybody around the world. I remain Oluwaseun Timita, the chief coach of TOPVEETFX, but now I'm going to be a coach to you, and let us analyze together to see what we are going to be doing together today. So now let's start with BTC USD. I can remember the last time I came online to discuss, we analyzed BTC, and I told us that BTC is going to be dropping from 72,000 price, and we should be expecting it to come to this region, which is the region of 56,000 or 54. And the last price I gave is 52,000 price. So those are the price that I gave out, and those are the region that we can see that we marked here. And also the market drop, which according to how we analyze it, that it will drop, and the price dropped massively to the price of 54,400 price. So that's where the price came to, and from there the market gave us a nice pattern to show us that they really want to push to the upward side, and which is a good thing that we are seeing from here. So the market is pushing to the upside, but before we will agree, if we are going to be looking at it on a general terms, the market has been on a bullish momentum for a very long time, and the market resumed a sell momentum properly. It started it on Thursday, 14th of March, and also it has dropped till Friday, which is the Friday, which is 5th of July 2024. That was when it dropped to, and from there the market began to looking for how it wants to resume its bullish momentum. But the question is, has it started the bullish momentum? Now, like I always tell us, when we are trading in the forex market, we should always look at momentum. We trade momentum, and we look for where we can ride on with the momentum in the market. So it is the momentum that gives chance for every trader to participate. But many people will look like, oh, this momentum has started, let me just enter. No, that is not how to trade. Allow your momentum to show up. Then the moment your momentum show up, then look for opportunity where you can trade from there. Now, looking at this trade right now, let me remove all this. Let me remove all these from the screen. That has played out. That has played out perfectly. Now, looking at the market is starting from this region where we see as our market maker footprint region, which is our strategy that we trade here. And as you can see, the market is pushing now to the upside, knowing that the overall trend on BTC is still a buy, but pending a little while, they have a very downside on the 4 hours, which shows that they are going bearish. But now, looking at the bearish, I can see that they have completed the trade movement that they are supposed to do. And from this reason, I look at it that this market has resumed an upward direction. And I will be looking at what are we going to be doing. Where can we participate in this market? If really this market has resumed a buy. For us to know if it has resumed a buy, that means we'll be expecting the market to come to this region. We'll be expecting this BTC to come to the price of 58,800. 58,800. We'll be expecting BTC to come to that price, or it should come to 60,000. 58,800 or 60,000. That is the price whereby I'll be expecting BTC to come to clearly, for us to look for opportunity to gain in the market. So that is what I am expecting in this market right now. If I'm going to be partaking in this market, I'll be expecting BTC to come to the price of 60,000 or 58,800. That is where I'm going to be looking for opportunity to look for my good sell opportunity. And from this region here right now, from this region whereby I can see clearly here, from this region, there's a possibility that they might return from this place. This might be the place where BTC want to eat before they will start pulling back a little bit before they will now continue. Now, what I'm looking at right now, based on BTC right now, is I'm expecting BTC to come to this reach, which is 60,000 or 58,800 or 58,900. Then I'm going to be looking for more buy to the top. Now, another thing is that BTC might like to push to this region before it will now do this normal pullback that we are saying that it's going to do. So far, so good. That is my own decision on BTC. I'm still going to be focusing on a long time to look for buy opportunity, which I am seeing on my screen right now that they have started the movement to the top. So for me to participate in this movement that they have started, I'll be positioning myself to the price of 60,000 or 58,800. That is where I'll be looking for opportunity to go bullish. That is my own decision. But like I said, they might try to come to the price of 64,000 before they will now start doing the pullback that I predicted. But for me, I'll be looking for buy opportunity based on the momentum that I've seen that it has started right now. Let's go straight to Euro JPY. On Euro JPY, as we all know that the JPY government, they have intervened in what is going on around in their currency. They said they want to start controlling and taking charge to make sure that they balance their own currency. Like we know that in the Forex market, we have market participants, which the one that are profitable and the one that are non-profitable. And for many of us, let me just give us a little bit tutorial. For the people that are looking for profit in this market, they are the major banks like JP Morgan, Chase Bank, and normal bank like your GTB, your Chase Bank, your Wema Bank, your Zenith Bank. And also we have speculator, and also we have individuals in this market like you and me. We are here to look for our profit. And we also have the non-profitable organization, which are the hedge funds, which is the central bank. They are the one, they participate to control the price to make their currency have value. That is what they participate in the market. And those are the people that are like those your central bank. Now, the central bank of Japanese yen, they intervene in the currency, which is all over the social media, also most especially the popular one that we know as a Bloomberg is already there, that they intervene in this currency for this currency to be good. And for this reason, that is why you have this massive drop that you are on all the JPY peers. And saying this shows that the momentum for the JPY have started, and they will be looking for opportunity to make the market to go more bearish and bearish. But before they do that, they need to show us a sign, which we are still waiting for to appear. But if you want to look at the 2 hours time frame, there's no opportunity there. Then 1 hour time frame, if I'm going to be given an opportunity to watch and look for, I'll be looking for opportunity around this region, which is at the price of 173.30. 173.30 is where I'll be looking for opportunity for a pullback for me to enjoy the continuation on a buy. So looking on Euro JPY, I'm still going to be looking for a buy this week. And before I will do that buy, I'll be waiting for the market to pull back to 173.80 or 173.50. That is the exact point whereby I'll be looking for this market to pull back to for me to enjoy a continuation on a sell. Also, on GBP JPY, the last time we met, I told us that we should be expecting a pullback to this region they will buy, which they definitely give us what we are expecting in this market. The market did buy according to our analysis. Glory be to God for that. Now we are going to be trading based on what I have analyzed on Euro JPY, that the JPY government, they have come to intervene into this market. And when they drop this market massively, they drop and come to our market maker footprint region, which is where they came to for us to see opportunity. Now, looking at this market right now, based on what we are still trading here, I believe that this market is still going to be a more of sell opportunity, but there's still going to be a pullback there will be a pullback in this market, which I am very sure of that they will create. Since they have created this momentum, they've enticed a lot of people, they have trapped a lot of people in this market because they believe that many people will still be thinking that that is how the sell will be going. But they will need to first of all trap many traders, and I'll be expecting this market to come back to this region and to the price of 206. To the price of 206, I'm expecting price to pull back to that region. That is where I will be looking for my good sell opportunity based on my strategy. I'll be expecting this market to do that for me. I'll be expecting the market to come to the price of 20600. 20600. Then from that region, I will look for good sell opportunity in the market. So far, so good. I'm still going to be going for sell opportunity, but my sell opportunity, I'll be looking for it at the price of 206 on GBP JPY. So far, so good. Let's go to the next pair, which is Chef JPY. On this Chef JPY also, same thing that we analyzed that gave us profit is what we still analyze. And the Japanese government has intervened in this market, which made the market to come down massively. And in as much that the market has come down massively, the question is, where should we participate in this market of sell opportunity? For we to participate in this sell opportunity, I would advise us that before we look for sell opportunity, I would advise us that the market should come to 177.50 price. Let the market come to 177.50 price, that you will look for your sell opportunity from that region, meaning that there's going to be a pullback, and before we look for any opportunity to go down the more, and our PP will be on the point of 175.50. 175.50. That is my own decision on Chef JPY. Chef JPY, expect a pullback first to the price of 177.50, then look for sell opportunity to shut it down, which I believe that because the JPY government has intervened in this currency, they are still going to be dropping more of 500 plus pips or 5,000 pips on this market. And looking at this market, I believe that this market is already at the height of the year. Now, expect more of sell opportunity on all JPY pairs. Now, looking at GBP AUD also, on GBP AUD, the GBP AUD has dropped. They gave us a nice drop in momentum. And from this reason, they started this bullish momentum. But the question is, are they truly okay with what they are doing right now? Let's look at our chart right now. On our chart, if we look at it together, we can see that this momentum is on the upside, meaning that the market has been going on a buy direction for a very long time. The question is, where should we look for an opportunity in the market? When you are seeing a momentum that is going on the upside, then more of your opportunity should be on that upside. But at a point in time, which is at the month of March 2024, the price begin to come down, begin to come down, and they came to the region where they came to before. The region where they touched before, that was the same region whereby they touched and begin to go back to the upward side. So the question is, where should we position ourselves? Now, let's look at it according to the market maker footprint. For me, I'll be looking at this region as an opportunity whereby they are coming to, if truly they still want to push downward, they should come here and give me a sell. But if it is based on the buy momentum that we can all see with our eyes on the screen, if it is that buy momentum that we want to look at, then the question is, where should we position ourselves based on all the things that we are seeing here? If I may tell you the truth, there is no places for me to position myself for a buy right now, but I can see clearly where to position myself for a sell, meaning that on GBP AUD, I'm expecting a sell opportunity. I'm expecting this market to rise to this region, which is 1.9220. 1.9220. I'm expecting to rise there and give me a drop back to this place before I will think of anything buy. So meaning that still expect more of sell opportunity on GBP AUD. There needs to be a retest back to this price before we now continue and believe that truly they are ready for the push to the top side. So far, so good. Expect more of buy opportunity on GBP AUD. Expect it to get to the price of 1.9220 or 1.9250. From that region, we are going to be looking for more of sell opportunity later during the course during the course of the week. Then maybe this week or next week, we are going to see opportunity to now push it back up to the top. So far, so good. That is my decision on GBP AUD. Still expect a push to the top to the price of 1.9220 or 1.9250. So on AUD CHF, looking at AUD CHF, the last time we discussed on AUD CHF, I was expecting a massive pullback from this region to come to the price of 0.6000, and from 0.6000 that we are going to be looking for a buy opportunity. But however, they only came to the price of 0.6028 and they continue pushing the market to the upward side. And like I told us, if the market is showing you that it's on a buy momentum, I will rather advise every trader to do what? To follow the market in the rightful direction and rightful momentum of the market. And as we can see, the momentum we can see right now on our screen is the momentum is still pushing on the upward direction. Now the question is, where should I position myself to look for a buy opportunity in this market? If I'm going to be advising anybody, I'll still advise you to look for your buy opportunity at this region. Look for your buy opportunity at this region. So meaning that expect this market to still come back to the price of 0.6040 or 0.6000. 0.6040 or 0.6000, that is where we are expecting this AUD CHF to pull back to and continue the buy momentum. So far, so good. My decision on AUD CHF, look for buy opportunity at the price of the 0.6050 or 0.6000. That is where I'll be looking for my buy opportunity this week. So far, so good. That is my decision. As you can see, that I'm drawing it here. That is what I am expecting to happen in this market. So far, so good. And remember, anytime I'm telling you to do something, make sure that you follow your proper risk reward management, and also make sure that you look for your way of entry. In my own academy, we have a way whereby we make entry. In our own academy, we have our entry strategy. Even though the price comes to this region, if we don't see that, if we don't see our strategy of entry at that spot, we will not make any entry. So far, so good. My decision is still remain buy opportunity on AUD CHF, and also on Euro AUD. On Euro AUD, the last time we discussed, I gave out that there should be a pullback a little bit here, and they should drop it, and which they created the pullback, and they dropped this market, and they are still pulling back to that region. If we look at the momentum in the market, we can see that this momentum is on a bearish down direction. So the momentum is showing us that Euro AUD is still selling. And if Euro AUD is still selling, what should we still be looking for? I will look for sell opportunity at this point in time where the market is presently. I'm still going to be making my entry for sell. You can go and look for your entry for sell at where the market is right now on Euro AUD and enjoy your sell opportunity. Also on AUD USD, as we can see that the market is on a bullish momentum side. If the market is on a bullish momentum side, the question we should ask ourselves is, where should I buy? It's not about, oh, it's going upward, let me just buy. No, that is not the way to do it. That's not the way to follow it. You need to look at, where should I gain an entry for buy opportunity in this market? If I'm going to be gaining any buy opportunity in this market, I'll be expecting a pullback to the price of 0.6040 or 0.6740 or 0.6730. That is where I'll be looking for a pullback to on AUD USD and go bullish. That is my own decision, and that is what I am expecting to happen on AUD USD. AUD USD, based on what I'm seeing on my screen, I'm still going to be looking for a buy opportunity because I can see that the buyer's momentum are still alive in this market. So far, so good. I'll look for buy opportunity on AUD USD at the price of 0.6740, sorry, 0.6740 or 0.6780. So far, so good. That is my decision on AUD USD. On USD JPY, as we all know, remember that the last time we discussed, I told us that I'm expecting a sell opportunity based on the news that is woven around that JPY government want to intervene on their own currency. And I've explained what make it to happen like that. I've explained the market participants to us in the course of this teaching and in the course of this analysis. So far, so good. The JPY government has finally intervened, which is already all over the social media and the news. It has been clearly shown that the JPY government has finally intervened in the market. Now, if that is the truth, what should we still be looking for in this market? It means that without doing much, still be looking for a sell opportunity on USD JPY. Now, the question is, TOPVEETFX, where should I be looking for that sell opportunity? Like I told you, if you want to look for sell opportunity, I will advise you based on our own strategy. I will advise you to look for sell opportunity at this region at the price of 159.00 or 159.50, 159.00 or 159.50. That is the region whereby I'll be expecting a sell opportunity in this market. So far, so good. My decision on USD JPY is I'll be expecting a pullback to the price of 159.00 or 159.50, then look for good sell opportunity in this market. Meaning that in this USD JPY, still expect more of sell opportunity in the market. Sell opportunity in the market, that is what we should still be expecting, because I believe the market is still going to drop massively and massive and massive. So far, so good. Let's look at Euro USD right away. Let's look at Euro USD right away. Looking at Euro USD, I can remember that I gave out a trade here and we use only 10 pips stop loss. 10 pips stop loss is what we use here as our risk reward ratio. And the market has given to us, I predicted here, which is has given us 151 pips on this market. It has given us what we want. The market still. So I predicted that the market should come to this region where I can see that they will come to, that I'm expecting them to sell from this region. And truly, you can see the sign that they really want to drop from there. But the question is, are they truly ready to drop? That is the question. And as we can see that the market is still showing us that there is a more push to the upward side. And if you look at the drawing that I have here, you can see that there is still more momentum on the side of the buyer. If there is a momentum on the side of the buyer, the question is, what should we still be looking for? The final answer is we should still look for more of buy opportunity in this market. Don't waste your time looking for sell where the buy is taking place. Now, if truly that is what is really happening in this market, then let's look at where to position ourselves. Now, looking at this market right now, I will be looking at two positions to look for my buy opportunity on Euro USD. I'll be looking for two positions to be looking for that on this Euro USD. I'll be looking for my opportunity at this region, which is at the price of 1.0860 or at the price of 1.0820. Those are the two regions whereby I'll be looking for buy opportunity in this market. I'll be looking for buy opportunity at the price of 1.0860 or at the price of 1.0820. Those are the region whereby I'll be looking for a good buy opportunity, because we can still see that the buyers are still having strength. They are still dominating this market. And if buyers are dominating this market, the only question that you need to ask yourself that will you be on the side of the momentum or against the momentum? It's good to be on the side of the momentum. And for us to enjoy our buy together on Euro USD, I'll be expecting the price to come to 1.0860 or 1.0820 to look for my buy opportunity on Euro USD during the course of the week. Also, NZD USD, on NZD USD, we can see that NZD USD also is on a bullish momentum, and of recently that NZD is just been getting weaker and weaker. That is why you see that all NZD pairs, they have always been on a downward direction. But the question I'm going to be asking right now is, what should we look at? What should we look at? Thank you so much, Andrew. So now what we'll be looking at right now is if you are looking at this market, the normal momentum pushing the upward side, and they are just creating this pullback. And when they give us this massive momentum here, the buyer reply with this massive momentum also. So which means that I would still rather go for a look for buyer's momentum opportunity than the seller momentum. So far, so good. Based on this, where should I position myself to look for a buy opportunity? I'll be positioning myself to look for buy opportunity at this region. These two regions is where I'll be looking for my buy opportunity. So at the price of, at the price of 0.6080 or at the price of 0.6050, 0.6050 or 0.6080, that is where I'll be expecting a buy opportunity in this market. So far, so good. I'll be expecting a more buy opportunity in this market. So far, so good. Look for buy opportunity at those two prices that I mentioned to us. That is the price of 0.6080 or 0.6050. Look for buy opportunity. On USD card also, based on this USD card, I'll be looking for opportunity to go down on USD card. Based on what I've been seeing for a very long time right now, the market has been pushing to the direction. Excuse me, let me just squeeze it finally to see. So looking at USD card, the network is kind of being slow. We can see that USD card also has been pushing upward, pushing upward, pushing upward. And for that reason, I would rather look for more of buy opportunity on USD card. I might be a little bit biased with what I am seeing here right now. If I'm going to be looking at that, I'm going to be looking for a buy, which the market has come to the market maker footprint region, and is coming to a particular market maker footprint region. From this region, I'm expecting a pullback, and if the pullback is going to occur, I'll be expecting it to come down to the price of 1.3620. If I'm going to be looking for anything buy again, I'll be expecting the price to come to 1.3620. That is where I'll be expecting the market to come to. I'll be expecting this market to come here before I might look for anything buy again in this market. So far, so good. That is my own decision on this market. I'll be expecting this to happen before I will look for a buy opportunity. Let the price come to 1.3680, then give me a pullback to the price of 1.3620. From 1.3620, I will look for my buy opportunity to the upward side. So far, so good. That is my own decision on this USD card. And also, let's look at GBP USD. On GBP USD, remember the last time we discussed, I told us that we should look for a pullback to this region, and we should buy from that region, that the market is still going to go bullish. And that is exactly what the market did. And from this region, we can still see that the market is still on a bullish momentum side. And if the market is still on a bullish momentum side, the question we are going to be asking ourselves is that let's still look for a buy opportunity in the market. And if I'm going to be looking for a buy opportunity in the market, I'll be looking for buy opportunity. Let the market retrace back to this region. If the market can come back to this price, to the price of 1.2900, 1.2900, let the price come back to 1.2900. That is exactly whereby I will be looking for my buy opportunity in this market, 1.2900, and I'm still expecting it to the price GBP USD to rise up to the price of 1.3050 or 1.3100. So that's where I'm still expecting GBP USD to rise up to. So meaning that we should still look for more of buy opportunity in this market. But before the buy will kick off, there is going to be a pullback on this market. So there's going to be a pullback. Wait for that pullback to occur before you now continue on this buy momentum in this market. GBP USD, still look for buy opportunity in the market. Also on USD CHF, looking at USD CHF, the market, I'm expecting this USD CHF to give us a sell opportunity. And the last time, because I knew that they are coming here and they are going to drop from there, I gave a short buy here, which I gave a stop loss of 3 pips, and the market rise up and hit where we are expecting it to get to, and the market started dropping from there. Now, the question we are going to be asking ourselves is, where should we position ourselves for a good sell opportunity in the market? Based on this history that have been showing us that the market has been dropping, it has been selling and been selling. Where should we position ourselves for another sell opportunity? If I'm going to be positioning myself for another sell opportunity, I'll be positioning myself for sell opportunity at the price of 0.9000. 0.9000 is where I'll be positioning my opportunity for. So far, so good. Still look for sell opportunity on USD CHF. That is my decision on this market, and that is what I'm expecting to happen. And if that's the place, our TP is going to be at 0.8900. That is what I am looking for on USD CHF. Also on gold. On gold, it has been a massive one on gold, and I really appreciate every one of you for believing on my analysis on gold. Anytime we analyze on gold, I really appreciate every one of you for always believing on my analysis. And I could remember the last time we discussed, I gave us a lot of trade on gold, and we all win the trade. Every of our trade that we analyze on gold, they are all on point, and we are still working seriously to also still give you more of the best. And the only thing you just need to do is learn how to make your entry strategy, and when we see good opportunity, we still drop it. And also now let's look at what is happening here right now. Looking at what I am seeing on the screen, without wasting much of our time, we all knew right from time that gold is on a bullish momentum. Looking at the screen right now, we can see that gold is on a bullish momentum. And if that is the case, the question is, what should I be looking for in the market? You don't have any business with a buy, with a sell. The only business you should be looking for is to look for a buy opportunity. You don't have any business with a sell. But the question is, does that mean that there won't be a sell in the market because you are looking for a buy? There will always be. So that is the reason why you need to go for knowledge from anywhere you want to get your knowledge, to know how to identify that. But like I tell you, if you don't have that, just come here, we'll break it down for you, then go and look for yourself, your entry opportunity in the market. That is what we are here for, to help you to break the market down to your own understanding, then sit down, look for opportunity. And if you want to be like us, that you want to be looking for how to look for entry opportunity yourself, the best thing to do is to register to our academy. When you register to our academy, then you will know and understand and see the market the way we see it. And to do that, there is a link in our bio. There is a link there. Click the link tree. When you click the link tree, you will see our Telegram. You will see our WhatsApp message. You can directly WhatsApp us to ask for more information, and you will see our YouTube there. And if you really love me, please make sure that you follow me on the YouTube. If you really love me, follow me on YouTube. If you really love me, your YouTube account is under this profile. Go there and follow me on this on my account, and also follow me on this TikTok. Now, looking at this gold right now, the last time we discussed on gold, I could remember vividly well that when this market into this region, I gave us a good opportunity that there is going to be a sell, and the market really dropped massively. And from this region, I told us that I'm seeing a sign that the market is looking like it wants to push on the upward side. And I gave us opportunity. And I can remember, if any one of us could remember the stop loss that I gave to us, 2 times or 3 times I gave us the trade. Can you drop in the comment section? For many of you that have been following me for long, when I gave out that trade, how much stop loss do we give? And did it come to our stop loss? Can you drop it in the comment section for me to know if many of you are really following us? If you really remember, drop it in the comment section. Let me know that you remember and you pick the trade. Now, many people pick that trade that we gave a small tight stop loss. I'm waiting for them to drop it in the comment section, the stop loss that I gave that day. So far, so good. Looking at this market right now, if I'm going to be looking at this market is still on a upward direction. And if I'm going to be looking for any opportunity, I'll be looking for the opportunity at the price of 2380. That is where I'll be looking for my opportunity in this market. I'll be looking for my opportunity at 2380 to buy. So meaning that I'm expecting a pullback on gold to the price of 2,380. 2,380 is where I'll be expecting the price to come to on gold. So far, so good. Expect a sell opportunity, then we can now continue buy momentum. And like I have predicted before, there is a possibility that this year gold might get to the price of 2,700, if possibly 3,000. But 2,700 is what I am targeting on gold, that it might happen this year. And I have my reason for that. If every one of you could remember that on Powell said something. Powell said something, and Powell said that they will start cutting rates. And if that starts happening, anything against dollar, favor anything they pair with dollar, favor anything that they pair with dollar. And you just said we have no business with a sell. So far, so good. Now, if I'm going to be expecting, if like I said it in my teaching, I said, because we are looking for a buy, does that mean that this will not happen? So far, so good. Based on your own knowledge, look for how to picture it to get down to this place. But if you want to wait and be patient, wait for the price to come to 2380 and look for your buy opportunity. But if you are a good trader, then you should know how to navigate your price down to this region, which definitely is going to be a pullback in the market. And if you want to follow what I said, always look for where to look for a buy. But for me, if I'm going to be waiting, I'll be expecting the market to push down to this region, then I'm going to be pushing the price upward the more. So that is what I'm going to be waiting for in this business. So far, so good. On this is my submission on gold. Look for buy opportunity at the price of 2380. And if you are the type, like I told some of my students that I'm expecting a strong pullback on gold before they will continue buying. And that is exactly what they started, and they have started it. And till they get to that 2380, I'll be watching and I'll fold my hand to see what is still going to happen in the market. So far, so good. As we all know that this market is reactive, not proactive. And if the market is reactive, we need to approach it with a proactive measure. And what is a proactive measure? it is for you to look at where and what you think you can do to reduce your loss. And if we say that a market is reactive, that means it's responding to a particular something. That something is fundamental. Sometimes it affects. There are a lot of things that can affect this market that can make your analysis to be destroyed. And that is why you need to put a proactive control, meaning that you need to put a risk control management on all your trade. Because I have analyzed and said that this is what should happen, you also should sit down and look at what the market is happening. But if you don't know how to do that, it's better you go for a mentorship. And we offer that in our academy. You can always WhatsApp me, go to my bio, you will see my WhatsApp number, you will see my WhatsApp link, and you also see my Telegram link. You can directly follow us on YouTube, follow us on every social media, and you are going to enjoy. So far, so good. Thank you so much for being with me on this lecture. Thank you for following me, and you can follow us for more of this and subscribe to our YouTube, subscribe to our Telegram, subscribe to our TikTok, and enjoy more of this. So far, so good. I remain Oluwaseun Temitayo Olukayode Ogbuenkun. Enjoy your trading.